In this video, I'm going to show you how to play The Rock Show by Blink-182 off of their album Take Off Your Pants and Jacket. And if that sounds good to you, smash that like button and stay tuned. What's up, alt rockers? America's favorite guitar playing ginger is back with another guitar lesson. If this is our first time meeting, my name is Scott, and on this channel, we learn how to play the best rock songs of the past and how to produce the best rock songs of the future. Leave a comment down below if Blink-182 was your favorite pop punk band, and let's dive in. This song's gonna be in standard tuning. Let's take a look at the intro riff. So we're starting with the intro riff, or the main riff of the song, and it's gonna sound like this. Okay, so what we're doing there is we're doing a lot of individual note picking. We're playing eighth notes. And we're starting with this open A string, so open fifth string, 4 hits, and then we hit second fret, fourth string. Okay, then we come back to the A string for 2 hits, and now the open fourth string. So we have this so far. Back to the open A string, 2 hits. Okay, so all together. Now what we have here is this 4th fret, 5th string, pull off to open 5th string, then 2nd fret, 6th string, back to open 5th string. So that's... So all together from the top so far. Okay, and we'll start to repeat that now. Now we'll do this run. So that first run was... Now this run is... Okay, so what we're doing is 4th fret, 5th string, 2nd fret, 4th string, 4th fret, 5th string, open 5th string. So all together, from the top, that main riff. And then it repeats. Underneath that main guitar is the rhythm guitar. It's playing along with the bass. So it's just playing power chords, straight eighth notes. It sounds like this. So again, power chords, 5th fret, 6th string, that's an A power chord. 5th fret, 5th string, that's a D power chord. 7th fret, 5th string, that's an E. And now at this point, we'll do this little crescendo into the first verse. So we'll do this little... Okay, so again, that's the A power chord. We'll strum it and then palm mute, and then slowly get louder and release the palm. Okay, and then we enter the first verse. The first verse is just going to be palm muted power chords. So we're doing the exact same chord sequence that the rhythm guitar does in the intro, only we're palm muting now. Fifth fret, sixth string, fifth fret, fifth string, seventh fret, fifth string. And then we go right back into that intro riff. And then right into the second verse. Second verse is exactly the same as the first. Now this is where the song starts to deviate. We'll enter into the first chorus. The chorus will sound like this. So pretty much all power chords. We're starting on the A power chord, 5th fret, 6th string, 3 hits, and then we kind of slide down the 2nd fret, and then up to 5th fret, 5th string. So it's 1, 2, 3, chicka 1, chicka 3. Okay, so we play that 3 times, and we come down to this low E power chord, open 6th string, up to 5th fret, 5th string, D power chord, back down to E. So we'll just alternate now between this E and D. Now the third time through, we're going to do this quick triplet. So we hit it twice, and then a little triplet. Do that twice, and then come up to D, and then index finger comes down to 4th fret, 5th string. And now we're back to the top of the song. So we'll play another main riff, another verse, and another chorus, just like we played. And then we'll enter into this bridge section, and the bridge part will sound like this. Okay, so the guitar will just keep repeating those notes. So what I'm doing here is barring 2nd fret, 2nd and 3rd string. Then we'll add 2nd finger to the 3rd fret of the 2nd string. So we have, and then release that 2nd finger back to the bar. Just alternating 2nd and 3rd strings. Halfway through that bridge, a rhythm guitar will come in with the bass. So we'll have a rhythm guitar come in with power chords. It'll follow the bass notes. Okay, so 2nd fret, 5th fret, 5th string. Okay, and then 5th fret, 6th string. Then 7th fret, 5th string. 5th fret, 5th string. And then we enter the last chorus. So the last chorus is the same as the others. me go back into the main riff to end the song. Was Blink the best pop punk band of all time? Comment down below. And while you're down there, click the subscribe button to join the congregation and get more guitar lessons and videos every single week. Thanks so much for joining me, and remember, hug the gingers in your life, because we do, in fact, have souls.